Let's look at how you can export your UV maps so you can use them in other pieces of software, for example Photoshop or Substance. So first off, you're going to want to go over to UV editing and then select the areas of the texture that you want to export. So in my case, I just want to export the hands. So I'm going to click on these parts and press Ctrl L to select all connected vertices. Then once I have that, I'm going to go over to here. I'm going to select new image. Let's call this hands. I'm then going to select the color as white, and I'm happy with the width and height here. And then I'm going to press OK. Now once I've done that, I'm going to go over to UV and then export UV layout. And then you're going to save that wherever you'd like. In my case, I'm going to save it here. And that is it, guys. That is how you export your UV maps from Blender. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.